Hello everybody and welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Fiddle ficus that I bought from Stein's that was extremely malnourished to say the least. And if you take a look at the root ball here, it is just an absolute disaster. These are all the leaves that I tore off of it just yesterday. These are everything that was dead. I just took my hand, wrapped my fingers around the main stem and just ripped everything off, leaving a few of the leaves up at the top just to keep some life on there to help support the new growth. So right now we're just going to repot this. Taking it out, you can see the root ball is extremely crowded and definitely overgrown right here, as well as there's just not enough soil, so all of these roots are getting so dried out. What I'm gonna do, as you can see, I'm just cutting across this ball here in quarters, and then I'm just gonna take a cutters, cut some of these bigger pieces off here, and then rip away at a lot of these outside roots because I just don't think they're going to be coming back ever again, and I'd rather just encourage brand new growth from the plant. I know this is going to be a pretty extreme case. Most of the time when you get a fiddle leaf ficus, you won't be running into these problems, but this was definitely a rescue, and I wanted to get it out of that store and see if we can bring it back to life. I'm going to pull away a few more of the roots, and then we'll get it into the new pot. So we got it into the brand new pot. As you can see, there's just some space around the outside. We're going to lightly compact the soil around the entire plant, and then bring the soil up to the correct level for this ficus as well. It has now been about a month and the fiddle leaf ficus is doing great. We actually have new growth on the plant, which is super exciting. Let's hop up there and show you guys what we have. So here, this one, that's a completely new leaf right there. Brand new. They pretty much just exploded out. They were real small for quite a while, and then all of a sudden just, and now they're the size of my hand. And then there's some new growth here, like besides all the leaves just growing now, that's where I saw like definite brand new leaves that were not there before. And so I'm really happy about that, happy that it is growing. It's nice and healthy, and it looks like we'll be able to rehabilitate this one up to 100%. So if you see a fiddle leaf ficus that is in desperate need of rehabilitation, don't worry. If you can get a good deal on the plant and nobody else wants it, you might be able to take that plant home and change its destiny. That's a quick rescue video on this fiddle leaf ficus that was worse for wear when we got it, and now it's quite happy, and I'm really glad with the results that we're seeing so far too. Everything is just doing good. For being my first fiddle leaf ficus, I'm loving the plant so far. They're really easy to take care of. Just make sure you're watching the patterns on the leaves for any burning and stuff like that, like all of the leaves had when we first got it. Just a disaster. Just keep an eye out for stuff like that. As we do with all of our plants, they need love, care, and attention. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy gardening. See you in the next video.